Are you curious about voice generation tools? Today we are comparing 11 Labs, Speechify, and Fish Audio. Let's find out which one suits your needs best. All three tools help create voiceovers and audio content. They can transform text into speech, making them useful for videos, podcasts, and more. But each has its own unique features. First, let's look at 11 Labs. It's known for its high quality voice synthesis. Users love how natural the voices sound. You can customize the tone and style, making it great for storytelling. It's perfect for creators who want a professional touch. Now, let's talk about Speechify. This tool focuses on reading text aloud. It's user friendly and offers a variety of voices. Speechify is ideal for students and busy professionals who want to listen to articles or books on the go. It also has a mobile app, making it convenient for use anywhere. Next, we have Fish Audio. This tool is all about sound effects and voice modulation. It's great for gamers and content creators who want to add a unique flair to their audio. Fish Audio allows for a lot of creativity with options to mix and match sounds. So, what sets them apart? 11 Labs shines in voice quality, while Speechify is best for reading convenience. Fish Audio offers unique sound options for those looking to enhance their projects. When it comes to pricing, 11 Labs and Speechify usually have subscription plans, while Fish Audio might offer a one time purchase option. It's good to check their websites for the latest details. In the end, if you need a realistic voice for storytelling, go with 11 Labs. If you want to listen to text easily, choose Speechify. For creative sound effects, Fish Audio is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.